Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to jump to section. In order to jump to section, you will first have to have every section as a heading 1. So just select the name of the section and turn it into heading 1. Do this for every section in your page, and this will ensure you that when you want to jump into section, the Notion will know that where the section is starting. Now, in order to create and jump into section link, first place your cursor at the start of your page, press enter, and now place your cursor above it. Then type backslash and table of contents. Click on it. Now, as you can see, it created this table of contents, and let's say I want to jump to section 4. I can click on section 4, and here it will appear this table of contents to the right, and I can jump to any section that I want in my page right here. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.